Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by defining a tight target and scope so results stay relevant. Enter site, example, com or limit to a subdomain, then add a keyword phrase like resume and a file type filter, for example, file type, PDF. Once done, include date or URL depth constraints after yimmdd or inurl folder to narrow time or structure. This first action avoids broad noise, saves time, and creates a repeatable query you can refine after reviewing the initial results. Now you refine results using operator logic to get precision. Combine site within title and file type to focus document type and placement. Use term to exclude false positives and or between synonyms so you capture variance. Put exact phrases in quotes, for example, software engineer, and use the asterisk wildcard only when necessary because it broadens matches. As you iterate, change one operator at a time so you can see its effect and preserve the strongest query for reuse. Finish by exporting or saving the best query and verifying results manually. You should sample documents to confirm relevance, export to CSV, or copy-paste the snippets for records. If results look wrong, troubleshoot. Simplify the query, remove wildcards, and test each operator separately to find which term causes noise. Also check site and date constraints for typos. Finally, document the working query so you can reproduce searches quickly and share the exact method with teammates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.